Hello everybody, Princess the Bear here, and we're back today with another Disney Food at Home remake.
This time we're going to Disney's All-Star Sports Resort. Woo!
Which is about as bland as this white wall. So today, we're going to go take the box of No Evil Meats we have and recreate a dish that we got at All-Star Sports. What are we
Yes,
making?
it was a little bit lacking, but we got the chicken quesadilla.
Alright, so we're going to go in here, remake this dish, and hopefully, no spindles get harmed in the making this food.
Be sure to Once Upon a Dream.
You heard the girl. Finished with our plant-based chicken quesadillas. Quesadilla? I don't know. Quesadilla. So, we made quesadillas out of our No Evil chicken.
Live on, chicken.
So, quesadillas. Pretty, compact, like a flat sideways taco. Because at the end of the day, isn't all Tex-Mex food just different orientations of a tortilla shell?
Pretty much.
But delicious all the same. Hopefully, this is too. Just dive in, princess. Quesadilla dink.
Mmm. 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 This already tastes 1,000 times better than the quesadilla we had at All Star Sports.
I agree. The No Evil chicken, this particular brand anyway, comes pre-seasoned. So we decided to forego seasoning our plant-based chicken to try out that seasoning.
Yeah.
Normally, for any other sort of plant-based chicken, we would
season the heck out of it.
But on its own, just cooked in oil like the directions say, that's good.
Really good.
The flavors match the quesadilla very well.
I would eat it by itself.
It's got a very nice chicken chew. And like, yeah, you could definitely like shred this up and just eat it. Mm-hmm. Like regular chicken. It's shredded pretty well. It cooked very easily. The only thing that surprised me is how fast it cooks. The box says 1 to 2 minutes. It cooks in 1 to 2 minutes.
Well, it's vegan eats, and most of those are pretty quick to cook.
Yeah. So, I would say that it's pretty tasty. I'd have this again. As for this Spanish rice,
I'm excited to inhale this entire quesadilla pieces because that was incredible.
Homemade quesadillas, we might be in trouble.
Especially with that chicken. That chicken is just far. Dink.
Spanish rice, a little pepper kick.
It definitely tastes like Spanish rice. The pico is what really sets it off.
Spices. Mouth is tingling. In a good way.
Yes.
But that was delicious. I'm surprised at the No Evil chicken. I had my doubts looking at the package and how it came out. But it actually cooked rather well. Chews just like chicken. The flavor, I'll tell you, is a smidge better than some of the other, like,
it's highly
plant-based
elevated
chicken
in my
that we've
opinion.
had.
I think it's my favorite chicken I've had to date that's plant-based.
I will say that it's a top of the list for me, but not by leaps and bounds. There's room for improvement.
What's better than that?
I said it's at the top of the list. There's nothing better than that. I
Okay.
just said it's not by leaps and bounds better than the other ones.
That's fair.
Just not as wide as gap as I would like.
If I was to go vegan again, if I was to start over, I would go with the No Evil Foods chicken as my like base to try to convert to veganism instead of Kuyorn because it's a better.
It's definitely a better
good.
product consistency wise.
Better
In
product.
the mouth, in the hand, it feels just like chicken.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
this is a bear approves for me. I'd eat this again.
I approve as well.
I want to know, have you guys had No Evil chicken? Have you guys made any quesadillas while you've been home under self-quarantine? I hope you have. I hope you're washing your hands, you filthy animals. If there's anything else No Evil you would like to see or any other recipes you'd like to see us make, of course, as always, let us know in the comments. If you make this dish, we want to know that too, so hit us up there. Hit the notification bell if you want to see other videos like this, and
We have new videos 5 days a week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Saturday.
we will see you soon.
Be sure to subscribe.
You heard the girl.
Or I shall prick you with the spindle of a spinning wheel, and you shall sleep.
Obviously not the Angelina Jolie one, but better.
I got a vegan quesadilla, freshly made by the manager. Made sure there was no cross-contamination. It's a chicken, plant-based chicken quesadilla. It's really good. It tastes very vegan. Very vegan. I'm not a huge fan of the chicken, but the rest of it's really good.
As for this painstakingly made chicken cheese, vegan cheese quesadilla, chicken's okay. It does taste very vegan. It's diet cheese. I appreciate the fact that they dumped this out of the freezer, refrigerator. But I mean, you can't get fake chicken quesadillas anywhere else in the parks. 3 out of 5 plus.
So we're opening it right now so you guys can see, and then we're gonna freeze it. No Evil Foods plant-based chicken. It's the chicken. Vacuum sealed and in little bits. This will be fun to like fajita or something. Well, what have we here? A No Evil Foods Disney remake.
Of course, we're doing No Evil. There's far too much princess in this frame right now. But we're going to go ahead and try to remake a Disney, well, not Disney favorite because we actually hated it when we had it, but we're going to remake a Disney meal that we've had using the box of No Evil Foods meat that we got.
Yes.